We are pleased to show you the 2021 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.